Imagine starting your day with a single, refreshing drink that does more than just quench your thirst. This simple morning ritual has the potential to detoxify your body, kickstart your metabolism, and leave you feeling revitalized before you even sit down for breakfast. Many people overlook the power of what they consume first thing in the morning, but the right choice can set a positive tone for the entire day. What if just one easy-to-make beverage could help you feel more energized and ready to take on whatever comes your way? The secret lies in understanding how certain ingredients work together to support your body's natural processes. Let's explore how this morning drink can become a transformative part of your daily routine. Recent scientific studies have shed light on the effectiveness of natural morning detox drinks. Researchers have found that certain combinations of fruits, herbs, and spices can help stimulate digestion and support the body's natural detoxification processes. These drinks often contain ingredients rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which can contribute to increased energy levels throughout the day. Many participants in these studies reported feeling more refreshed and less sluggish after incorporating detox beverages into their morning routines. As interest in natural wellness continues to grow, experts are exploring which recipes offer the most significant benefits. Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate morning detox drink recipe that combines these powerful findings for optimal results. Beginning your day with warm water offers several important health benefits. The warmth helps to gently stimulate blood circulation, encouraging nutrients and oxygen to flow more efficiently throughout the body. This improved circulation can help you feel more alert and energized. Warm water also aids digestion by relaxing the digestive tract and supporting the breakdown of food. Additionally, it prepares the liver for its natural detoxification processes, making it easier for the body to eliminate toxins. Overall, starting with warm water sets a positive tone for your body's daily functions. Fresh lemon juice is renowned for its detoxifying and immune-boosting properties. Rich in vitamin C, it helps strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient against infections. The natural acidity of lemon juice, once metabolized, actually has an alkalizing effect on the body, which can assist in balancing pH levels. This balance is important for maintaining overall health and supporting metabolic processes. Additionally, lemon juice acts as a gentle diuretic, aiding the body in flushing out toxins. Its antioxidants further contribute to cellular protection and repair. Incorporating fresh lemon juice into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support both detoxification and immune function. Apple cider vinegar is well known for its potential health benefits, largely attributed to its acetic acid content. Acetic acid may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and slowing the absorption of carbohydrates after meals. Many people also find that apple cider vinegar can reduce bloating, possibly by aiding digestion and promoting a balanced gut environment. Its natural acidity supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in overall digestive health. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet in moderation may offer a range of digestive and metabolic benefits. A pinch of cayenne pepper can do more than just add a spicy kick to your meals. This vibrant red spice contains capsaicin, a compound known to stimulate thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. When consumed, cayenne pepper can temporarily boost your metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie expenditure even at rest. Studies suggest that capsaicin may also help reduce appetite, making it easier to manage food intake. By incorporating a small amount of cayenne pepper into your diet, you may support your body's natural ability to burn more calories throughout the day. This simple addition can be an effective and flavorful way to enhance your overall metabolism. Raw honey plays a significant role in enhancing the benefits of a detox drink. It is rich in natural antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support the body's defense against free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to cellular health and may reduce inflammation. In addition, raw honey provides a natural source of energy through its easily digestible sugars, offering a gentle boost without the crash associated with processed sweeteners. By combining cleansing properties with revitalizing nutrients, raw honey helps make the detox drink both effective and invigorating. To prepare the drink, simply mix the recommended ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Consuming this beverage first thing in the morning jumpstarts the body's natural detoxification process, helping to flush out accumulated toxins. As the nutrients are absorbed, they work to restore balance within the body's systems, supporting overall well-being. The drink also delivers a boost of essential minerals and antioxidants, which help recharge your cells and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Making this a daily habit can contribute to a refreshed and revitalized feeling each morning. Dr. Mark Hyman emphasizes the benefits of incorporating lemon, vinegar, and warm water into your daily routine to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help neutralize toxins and stimulate liver function. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, can aid digestion and help balance blood sugar levels, making it easier for the body to metabolize nutrients efficiently. Warm water, when combined with these ingredients, promotes hydration and supports the kidneys in flushing out waste. Together, these simple additions can enhance metabolic function and assist in resetting the body's internal systems for improved overall health. Dr. Rhonda Patrick emphasizes the critical role of hydration in supporting overall health, particularly when it comes to liver function. She explains that staying well hydrated helps the liver efficiently process nutrients and remove toxins from the body. Natural acids, such as those found in citrus fruits, can further stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for the body to break down and absorb essential nutrients. Antioxidants, abundant in many fruits and vegetables, protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. By combining proper hydration with a diet rich in natural acids and antioxidants, the liver is better primed to perform its vital functions. This synergy not only boosts nutrient absorption, but also supports long-term metabolic health. Imagine unlocking the secrets of ancient wellness traditions, where a single ingredient held the power to transform health and vitality. For centuries, healers have turned to this remarkable natural element, renowned for its ability to enhance detoxification and support a longer, more vibrant life. Its reputation has stood the test of time, quietly woven into rituals and remedies across cultures. Now, modern science is beginning to uncover the mechanisms behind its extraordinary benefits. Could this be the missing link in your journey toward optimal well-being? The answer lies just ahead, waiting to be revealed. Incorporating this detox drink into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful step toward better health. By focusing on consistency and choosing the right time each day, you set the stage for long-term wellness benefits. The ritual itself becomes a moment of self-care, reinforcing your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Over time, these small, mindful choices can lead to noticeable improvements in energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Remember, lasting change often begins with the simplest habits practiced regularly. Embrace the ease of this routine and let it be a foundation for your journey toward vibrant health.